I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated on your Upwork projects, activating notifications is key. Here is how to do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Start by signing into your Upwork account using your credentials. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can customize various account settings. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Notifications tab. This section allows you to manage how and when you receive notifications about your projects and messages. Step 4. Customize your preferences. Here, you can toggle on or off different types of notifications, such as job invitations, messages, and project updates. Make sure to check each option to ensure you're getting the alert you want. Step 5. Save changes. After customizing your preferences, don't forget to click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. If you miss this step, your settings won't be updated. Now you're all set to receive notifications on Upwork. Keeping your alerts active will help you stay on top of your projects and communications. Happy freelancing!